So now just to replace the outer bag. So we're going to replace this bag. It's in really bad condition. Sometimes if they just have a slight tear here, I've been able to use some safety wire or even small zip ties and kind of patch them back up for people. This one is too far gone, so we're going to replace it. What I have here is an aftermarket bag from Amazon. I've bought a few of these over the years. Toros, for some reason, you can always find aftermarket stuff for at a very good price. I want to say I paid like $26 for this bag. If you got the bag brand new from Toro or any of the parts houses online, you're looking at about $80, sometimes more. So it's good to shop around, plug that OEM part number into Amazon, and see what bags are available. Replacing bags is easy. All you do is you have to just unclip the old one from the skeleton. Sometimes, based on their age, they end up doing a lot of the work for you. I've had these just break apart in my hands before. But you just kind of slowly do that. Pull it on back. And there's your frame. So now we're going to open up the new one. And it comes nicely wrapped up in some sort of plastic. We're just going to undo this. And there we go. So you are going to have to deal with curled plastic. It's okay. You just get it. Clip it on. Just like that. Kind of do the sides, just work your way up. Same thing up here. And there you go. Brand new bag. Looks perfect. Went on perfect. Ready to hold some grass. And this one goes straight in the trash where it belongs. Awesome.